What's happening, y'all? We're on page 356 in our textbook. We're going to continue section 4.1, angles. I want to look at three problems here, and then I'll give you an assignment. Number 16. Number 16 says, convert from degrees, minutes, and seconds to radians. So DMS to radians. Number 16 is 75 degrees, 30 minutes. Okay, let me get my trusty friend out here, and why don't you go ahead and try that out, try to convert that into radians. You have a little formula over there. I'll give you a second. To convert from degrees to radians, you multiply by pi over 180. So we're going to take 75 degrees, 30 minutes times pi over 180. Now, when we do these kinds of calculations, you just leave the pi at the end and you ignore it. And you just put it at the end. We never evaluate pi. We usually don't put that number in, should I say, unless we're solving a real-world problem or something like that. Okay, so what I'm going to do is 75 degrees, 30 minutes. 75 degrees, 30 minutes. Now, 30 minutes is half an hour, so I could have just put 75.5, and hopefully some of you might have realized that. Okay, divided by 180, and let's make this a fraction. So 151 over 360 pi. Okay, math, enter, enter. We'll make that a beautiful fraction for me. Maybe the answer in the book, that is a little messy. Maybe the answer in the book does have that just as a decimal. I don't know, but I like that answer there. Let's keep it. Okay, so that was number 16. I want to try two more. Let's try 28. And 28 says, oh, you have used the appropriate arc length formula. So arc length, so for 28, S is 2.5, R equals question mark, and 28 theta is pi over 3. Okay, so use the appropriate formula to find, I guess here we're going to solve for the radius. The arc length is 2.5, the radius is unknown, the angle is pi over 3. Let's go ahead and try that out. Okay, let's look at the arc length formulas. S equals theta r. Okay, so that's 2.5. Theta is pi over 3. R is my unknown. So divide by pi over 3. So basically 2.5 divided by, and pi over 3. If you want to do that, you need to put it in parentheses. And if you do that, 2.38. So the radius is about 2.38. Pi would have been in the denominator there, and when pi is in the denominator, we usually don't keep it. So I just punched that in. The radius is about 2.38.